The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. This large home was originally a school next door to a church that was converted in 2010 to the grand home it is today. Boasting 5 expansive bedrooms, 3.5 oversized bathrooms and plenty of living space, this is a must-see. Unique layouts in the floorplan add flexibility and tons of storage. Large kitchen open to large dining, which both open to a huge game room living area with office entry and garage entry. Formal living downstairs with its own full bath, laundry room and bedroom make it so accessible too. Garage has 6 car doors and plenty of space for working and storage along with a full bath of its own. The piece of over an acre of country living has been added to with gardens, fountains and waterfalls, a pond, gazebo area and covered deck. Can be purchased along with commercial,